Election Day is Tuesday, June 9th. Please make a plan to vote. Here are the three tiers. You may have previously heard these called Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. On the actual ballot, they'll appear as Question 1, Question 2, and Question 3. There is also a separate Question 4 related to trash and recycling services. That question is independent from the three general override questions. Voters will vote yes or no on each question individually. Let's describe the three questions, and then I'll explain which one wins. Question 1 is the $9 million override. It would partially restore proposed cuts to the budget, but many services would still remain reduced, and the town's structural deficit would continue, and the town's previously stellar bond rating would suffer. Question 2 is the $12 million override. It includes everything that's in Question 1 and more. It would restore most proposed cuts and cover basic contractual obligations, but the structural deficit and threat to bond rating would remain. Question 3 is the $15 million override. Question 3 includes everything that's in Questions 1 and 2 and more. Question 3 would fully restore proposed cuts, better support schools and town services, help protect the town's bond rating, and address the structural deficit more substantially. Here's what the ballot will look like. These three questions together determine which override will pass. Again, there will be a fourth question about a trash override, which is not addressed in this video. Now let's talk about how voting will work. First, a hypothetical example of how results could look on June 10th, the day after the election. In this example, Question 1, the $9 million override, passed. It got more yes votes than no. Question 2, the $12 million override, also passed. Question 3, the $15 million override, failed. It got more no votes than yes votes. Since the highest level of override to pass, or the question that gets more yeses than nos, takes effect on July 1st, in this case, the winner was Question 2, the $12 million override. So how should you vote? If you're supportive of the $15 million override, vote yes on all three questions. This throws your support behind your choice, Question 3, but also behind Questions 2 and 1, so that if any of the overrides fails, you voted for a backup option. I like this three-tier structure because it offers our town voters a choice, and I believe that the $15 million override best supports the town we love and puts Marblehead on a stronger path forward. Election Day is Tuesday, June 9th. Please make a plan to vote.